Farming verbs. Here are some farming verbs with the sentences. Plant, to put seeds, seedlings, or plants into the ground to grow.
The farmer planted corn in the field in the spring.
Water, to supply moisture to crops by means of irrigation or natural rainfall.
The farmer waters the fields regularly to ensure proper crop growth.
Harvest, to gather crops when they are mature and ready for consumption or sale.
They harvested a bountiful crop of wheat in the late summer.
Cultivate, to prepare and work the soil to encourage plant growth.
The gardener cultivated the soil before planting vegetables.
Fertilize, to add nutrients or fertilizer to the soil to enhance plant growth.
Fertilize the garden beds with organic compost to improve soil quality.
Plow, to turn over the soil using a plow to prepare it for planting.
Before planting, the farmer plows the field to break up the soil.
Sow, to scatter seeds on the ground or plant them in rows for growing.
He sowed the wildflower seeds throughout the meadow.
Prune, to trim or cut back branches, leaves, or roots of plants for better growth.
The orchardist pruned the apple trees to promote fruit production.
Graze, to allow livestock to feed on grass or other vegetation in a pasture.
Cattle graze in the pasture during the day.
Feed, to provide food to livestock or animals.
The farmer feeds the chickens a balanced diet to keep them healthy.
Milk, to extract milk from a cow or other dairy animals.
The farmer milks the cows twice a day to collect fresh milk.
Shear, to remove the wool or fleece from sheep.
In the spring, the shepherd shears the sheep for their wool.
Herd, to gather and move livestock, such as cattle or sheep, from one location to another.
The rancher herds the cattle into the pen for branding.
Hatch, to allow eggs to incubate until they hatch into young animals.
The chicken incubator helps to hatch the eggs and raise chicks.
Grind, to crush or break down grains or seeds into flour or feed.
The miller grinds wheat into flour for baking.
Weed, to remove unwanted plants or weeds from a garden or field.
Spend time weeding the garden to keep it weed-free.